Hi friends, let's read Pups by Drew Brockington. Who's got two thumbs and is ready for the first day at a new school? Not me. The teachers will be different. I'll have to make all new friends. I won't even know where the bathroom is. This is the worst. Lick! Wait a minute. I'm on the wrong bus! Ah! What is this place? Do I have to go to school here? Where is everyone? I should find a grown-up and tell them what's happened. Woof woof, bark bark. I'm a kid, I don't speak dog. What am I gonna do now? Okay, I'll go to class. Grr. Everything about this school is strange and different. Woof plus woof equals woof woof. The subjects don't make sense. Lunch looks disgusting. And the bathroom is very confusing. Things are looking pretty glum. I miss my old school. I miss my friends. I want to go home. Hey, this is the puppy from the bus. Oh, hello. You sit next to me in math, and you're so soft and fuzzy. Ring! Wait, this school has recess too? Awesome! Woof! There are balls to throw, grass for running and jumping, dirt for digging. There's even a bathroom outside? I could get used to this. Ooh, maybe this school isn't so bad after all. Arf, arf, arf. How was the first day? Great, I made new friends and learned to play fetch. Fetch? Can I go back tomorrow? Of course you can. Yes, please. Who's got two paws and is excited for the second day of school? This kid. Oh no. I'm on the wrong bus. Bye, friends.